Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi tire. First, prioritize your safety by parking on a level, stable surface, well away from any traffic. Engage your parking brake firmly and activate your hazard lights to alert others. Next, locate your Audi's spare tire, jack, and lug wrench, usually found in the trunk or under the vehicle's floor mat. Before lifting, use your lug wrench to slightly loosen each lug nut on the flat tire, turning them counterclockwise. Do not remove them yet. Then, find the correct jacking point on your Audi's frame, typically indicated by a mark or reinforced pinch weld. Place the jack securely and slowly raise the vehicle until the tire is about 1 to 2 inches off the ground. Now that the car is lifted, you can fully remove the lug nuts you previously loosened. Place them in a safe spot so they don't get lost. With the nuts off, grasp the flat tire with both hands and pull it straight towards you to remove it from the wheel hub. Then, carefully lift the spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs before pushing it firmly into place. Once the spare tire is on, hand tighten the lug nuts as much as you can. Then, slowly lower your Audi back to the ground using the jack. After the car is fully down, use the lug wrench to tighten all lug nuts completely in a star or crisscross pattern for even pressure. Finally, check the spare tire's pressure and remember to get your flat tire repaired or replaced promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.